and Nourish. I am Shormi Khan and I am excited to have you here. If you are passionate about your skincare, makeup and holistic wellness, so yes, you are in the right place. At Glam and Nourish, I believe in embracing your natural beauty while enhancing it with the magic of self-care and makeup. This channel is all about glowing from the inside out because true beauty starts with nourishment.
I will be sharing simple yet effective skincare routines that fit into your daily life. Whether you are battling dryness, breakouts, or just looking for that radiant glow, I have got tips, tricks, and reviews to help you find what works best for you.
And the best part, the all products I use are from the Modi Care, a brand I truly trust for its high quality skincare and wellness solutions. Now let's talk makeup.
From natural everyday looks to bold party vibes, I will guide you through easy to follow tutorials that will make you feel confident and fabulous. Makeup isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling empowered.
But beauty isn't just skincare. That's why I will be introducing you amazing supplements from Modi Care that help nourish your body from within.
I will share how these products support your health and beauty goals, whether it's improving skin texture, boosting your energy, and enhancing overall wellness.
If you are ready to glow, nourish and transform, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.